and every day I watch channel. So that's why I speak very fluently. Sometimes I did grammatical mistake because mistake is part of our learning. So because without mistake, it's not possible to learn.
Hi, Lavanya.
Okay.
How are you doing? Oh, to see your smiling face, I feel like, oh, I'm so happy. I'm over the moon. Lavanya looks so happy. Yes. How are you, Lavanya?
I'm doing excellent, ma'am. Really, I'm feeling over the moon just because you are in front of me. You're my favorite teacher. Oh my God.
Thank you, Lavanya. I really
um,
appreciate your feelings, your concern, and even in my toughest time, I can say you are always there with me. You are sending me messages. You are always commenting under my videos, and you are always asking about my husband's health. So I'm really very, very lucky and fortunate to have association with you. And I'm really excited to talk to you and looking forward to having a wonderful session today. So tell me about yourself first, that how everything is going on. How are you? How was your day today? Here it's somewhere afternoon time. So tell me something about yourself, Lavanya.
yeah, so yes, ma'am. So first I tell, like you haven't upload, 1 month ago video. So that times I don't know what happened. I'm missing lot, ma'am. So that times I don't know what happened. And then that times I decided quickly I message. Nowadays what happened, ma'am? Haven't put any video. So what happened? Let's see. I will send a message, and then definitely when she my message, so she replied. So that times I had my dinner, and I was thinking like, where is Manju, ma'am? And now I don't know. That times I'm missing two. I don't have any words to describe. So that time really, ma'am, and then I told my brother, one brother. So I tell nowadays I haven't any kind of video. I haven't seen even like community post. There is no any post. I don't know what happened. Let's see. I will text one message, and whenever she so definitely she reply my message. So that times I said a message. So but that times my eyes teary eyes. I don't know why.
Yes, a kind of connection. Like, although we are in different cities, different states, but somewhere because of this platform, YouTube platform, we are very closely associated. Yes, somewhere we have
Yes.
great feeling for each other. Sometimes even I don't find if my some viewers, those who are into the habit of commenting on each and every video. So I also miss sometimes what happened today. She hasn't messaged me or he hasn't messaged me because there are few those who somewhere continuously on each and every video, on each and every community post, they reply, they write something. So it's a kind of like we wait for those people. Without any fail, you comment on my videos. So I feel that I'm fortunate enough to have such lovely, wonderful viewers of mine. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I love to watch your video. Why I watch just because your smile. I'm fall in love with your smile, your words. Really, while I listen your voice, so I feel very motivated and energetic also because your voice, bold voice. So that's why.
Oh my God, you made my day, my dear Lavanya. Thank you so much for so much of appreciation. I don't know whether I really deserve it or not. And when I hear even one word of appreciation from somebody, I feel myself over the moon. I'm so excited to connect with everybody. Actually, so many emails are still pending. I'm not able to give them time. But sometimes, if somebody asks me that I want to connect with you, and then I'm free, I feel like yes, I can connect right now. Because if I assure you that tomorrow I'll be connecting at so and so time, and if my husband needs my help, he wants me to be there, then at that time I won't be able to connect with somebody. Okay. And now, as he has recovered, he has started going to his clinic. So, somewhere in the afternoon, I find 1 or 1.5 hours to connect with my near and dear ones. So, I'm so happy, and super excited to talk with you, Lavanya. So, please introduce yourself.
Yes, definitely. So thank you so much giving me, wonderful opportunity. And now I am front of you. It's like unbelievable. And yeah, so if you talk about my introduction, so you know very well, my name is Lavanya and I'm from Chhattisgarh. And currently I'm pursuing my master degree. It's my final year like a special educator. And let's talk about my hobby. So I love cooking and dancing, and sometimes whenever I have free time, so I connect with strangers also. Because while connect with strangers, so I feel motivate because we are exchanging some thoughts. So that times we also feel motivated, and apart from, I also run YouTube channel. So I put Hindi motivational video and solo video and sometimes conversation video, ma'am. All about me.
Oh, yes, I happened to see one of your videos where you were telling some interesting story in Hindi. That was just for 6 or 7 minutes a story, but I could not hear the complete story. And it was initially when you started, I felt like watching it, but something happened. Somebody came to my home, and I could not watch that completely. Yes, so you are working on stories and something motivational in Hindi. That's something fantastic. And you are also learning English. What about your salon?
Yeah, it was very great, ma'am, and I enjoy because nowadays it's too hectic because summer season also and
And
marriage also. Yeah,
when,
wedding season also.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, so
So
are you
nowadays,
a parlor right now?
yes, now I'm in parlor, and you are the, send a message because I want to connect, that time I'm sending message. So you told Lavanya first finished our Navratri and then we will connect. So
Yeah.
today I, thought, let's see ma'am whenever free. So definitely she send a message. So I can see your message like 12, 30, 15, you free. Oh my God. So today I will definitely catch up.
Oh, yes. Actually, for past many days or many months, I would say Shanta was also wanting to invite me over to her channel. But when she got to know that my husband is not keeping well, so she kept on waiting. And yesterday again, she sent me message, maybe because she might have seen on my channel that I'm active now. So I
Okay.
give time to connect, like according to her preference, because I know that she has small kids. And then I connected with her, and while I was just talking to her, I found your message. Then I simply just thought of that after 15 minutes I'll be free, and I gave you time according to that. Because for all the viewers, those who are watching and those who want to connect with me, I want to tell everybody that my mornings and my evenings are fully packed because of my paid classes. During the afternoon also, some of them, they request me to connect at 3 or 4. So yeah, I rest for some time. But if you are really interested to connect with me, 12 to 1 is the best suitable time to connect with me. And if I will be free, if I have not given commitment to somebody else, I'll certainly connect with each and everybody, because I have nearly more than 100 mails pending. I have to cater
Mm.
one by each and every emails. But the problem is, like, one was requesting me yesterday, will you be available at 1:30 a.m.? I was surprised.
Oh,
I thought maybe by mistake he has written 1:30 a.m. So I corrected him and asked him, do you mean 1:30 p.m.? Then he said, no,
okay.
no, I mean 1:30 a.m. means 1:30 at night. I thought
Oh
this
my
man
God.
is mad or yes. I simply
Oh
wrote,
my God.
sorry, and I blocked his number. That what type of foolish man he is. He's requesting a retired lady to connect at 1:30. Yeah, some people want to connect according to their own free time, their own comfort zone. But what I feel, if we have to attain something, if you have to learn something, if we have to fulfill our passion by connecting with Lavanya or by connecting with Manju, then we have to find out means and ways, and we have to see the other person's comfort also. Yeah, like if I cannot ask Lavanya if she is doing facial in her parlor, that Lavanya, now I want to connect with you. Yeah, we have to see. So that's how
Yeah.
everybody should know that 12 to 1 is the best suitable time for Manju ma'am for making videos and having sessions. Rest of the time, either I stay busy doing something at home or taking paid classes. Okay, Lavanya, so your introduction was fantastic. Let me introduce myself too. I am Manju Mishra
Yes, ma'am.
and I am from Lucknow, a city rich in cultural heritage. And if you talk about my educational qualification, I have a master's degree, and then I have had the privilege of dedicating my career to field of education since 1990. So by now you can say I have 35 years of experience in teaching different schools and now teaching online. And I have a beautiful family, those who support me, like my husband, my son, my daughter, and my son in law. You want to know about my hobbies? So, yes, I love gardening and I love to listen to music. And the best passion of mine is to teach and to connect with different people. Now, this has become another kind of interest ever since I started my YouTube channel. I do take paid classes and that I take only during morning and during the evening because most of them are professionals, those who are beginners and intermediate level learners. I just want to boost their confidence and that's how I just help them. So this is in short about me, Lavanya.
Okay, so thank you so much, ma'am. It's wonderful. You are giving wonderful introduction. And every day I watch channel, so that's why I speak very fluently. Sometimes I did grammatical mistake because mistake is part of our learning. So because without mistake, it's not possible to learn. So you
Right?
want to, my viewer wants to like learn English related subjects. So please join Manju ma'am classes. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much, Lavanya. Here, I want to add one thing that earlier I was taking group sessions, but I found that group sessions were not very fruitful for the learners. It was very good for me because within 1 hour, I was able to teach so many students. It was easier for me.
Okay.
My aim is not simply to earn money. My aim is to
Yeah. It's true.
impart something, whatever I have. And I'm not an advanced level speaker. So I just want to boost the confidence of beginners and intermediate level learners, those who just no get petrified to think that I have to learn English. At least by listening to me, they feel that English is easy because Manju ma'am
Yeah.
speaks easy English.
Yes, like first time I was that times, my beginning times, I come across YouTube. So that times I saw suddenly, I saw your channel, and that times, I don't know how to like speak in a single sentence. And while I listen your words, so that times, too much confident. Yes, she speak very English, like nice English, and it's simple. There is no any hard to speak. So that
Yeah,
times I decided, like, yeah, I will definitely speak. They want to simple words. Why they want to simple words? Because this is our second language. And
right.
second language, it's take too much time. So don't need to like express, I know good vocabulary, like advanced vocabulary. First, you understand simple vocabulary because while you are speaking simple vocabulary, your simplicity, so people want to watch your video. Like now
Right.
I'm speak like advanced vocabulary, and they don't know what is the meaning. So this is not work for our audience. That's it.
Initially, everybody wants to learn to communicate with each other. Yeah. Later, it's
Yes, ma'am.
okay if we learn and we add hi-fi words, heavy idioms and proverbs. That's also good. It is an added advantage to the language. But the most problematic thing for the learners is that how can I start? English is the second language and it
Yeah,
sounds very difficult. So it should not sound very difficult. For that reason, if someone speaks simple English, joining easy words, making small sentences rather than making complex sentences, then it is understandable for everyone, each and every learner. Our videos are
yeah,
certainly going to help the beginners and to some extent to intermediate level learners and to above intermediate level learners, but not for the advanced speakers. If simple English is spoken and it touches the heart of everybody and it goes into
yeah,
their mind and fixes somewhere simple sentences in their mind, and then they feel like, oh, this sentence I could speak, I knew it, I
yeah,
can, they can correlate and they can gather some courage to speak that simple English. And that is, once you will start speaking simple English, broken English, you will open your mouth, you will face the camera, you will face the strangers, then it's as simple as we speak Hindi. I was a teacher in a convent school, so all the speeches on the stage were in English. So
mm-hmm.
yeah, teachers were trying their level best to articulate their structures and speak nicely using some hi-fi words. When it came to Hindi, only one Hindi teacher was proficient enough to use those hi-fi Hindi words. It was not easy for us to use those words. Even Hindi
Yes,
being our native language also, we don't use hi-fi words. We don't use difficult synonyms of any word. Do we ever ask, give me thoda salil de do, thoda neer de do, thoda, हम पानी ही बोलते हैं, पानी दे दो. हमें भले ही
yeah,
पता है सलिल वार नीर हमने क्लास 2 3 से पर्यायवाची पढ़ा है, but we don't use those words. So it's always good to speak as impressive as the audience can understand. You need to
yes, ma'am.
understand
It's
the audience whom you are connecting with, what type of audience you have. Are they advanced learners and listeners? Then you should use those kind of
yeah,
uh, ornamental words. Okay, otherwise it's okay. Simple words will work, isn't it?
yeah. It yes, ma'am. It's true.
And it's always good to stick to your own natural accent and
Yes,
use
ma'am.
simple words which comes to your mind while speaking without stressing your mind, without stressing so much. Oh my God, I have learned so many words, and while speaking, I'm not able to use them. It's perfectly okay. No problem. Lavanya, bye today.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
you
Thank
soon.
you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Really, you
Bye.
made my day.